Goodhouse works very well in hand with a reasonable sized solar system. It doesn't have to be an enormous solar system. And the reason for that is because Goodhouse focuses on the building envelope of a house. So the walls, ceiling and floor are all highly sealed and highly insulated, such that any imported active heating and cooling that's required in the house is really minimal. So in the winter condition, when the sun pours into the slab and we've got underfloor heating on, which is a very efficient way of heating and cooling a house, that heat stays inside. So any active heating is actually minimal. So we've got oversized timber frame walls with about R4 insulation in there, double glazed windows. The seal of our building envelopes are extremely tight, so we're sitting under 5 air changes per hour, and all of those things work together to mean that we don't require an enormous amounts of heating and cooling, which is the main energy consumer of a domestic house. After we have worked out the brief with our clients, they give us an indication of how reliant they want to be on the grid or not, to work out the best possible solution for each individual site. With anything in the building industry, what you want, or the people that you want on your team, are people who are motivated, they know their stuff and they're ethical. We want the trade to answer the phone, answer our questions and get on well with clients. And using the Solar Pathfinder obviously works out the best spot for the panels, and works directly with the clients, with us in the loop, but works directly with the clients to develop the best solution for their property. We have done a lot of research on different brands, etc., but it's such a changing market. What we've found in this area is that it's really important to have an expert on the team.